Hello everyone, I'm Charles from SpiritRadar. In this video, I will show you how to use the seller country filter to make your shopping experience even easier. Ordering a bottle from abroad can be tricky due to shipping restrictions. That's why we added the seller country filter for your convenience. This feature is particularly useful for our American customers, as state alcohol legislation often restricts shipping across state lines. Let's test it with this bottle. Foursquare 2011 Exceptional Cask Selection. Here in the bottle details, it's useful to check the current market value first, which in this case is stated as $138. Let's see where you can buy this bottle. Click on Stores, In Stock Offers to filter offers available for immediate purchase. Next, click on Country and choose the country you wish to purchase from. For example, let's select New York. Now, you can choose your favorite store or find the cheapest offer. This filter is also available in the online stores section, helping you find all the stores in your state from which you can buy. Let's quickly look at all the stores you can find on the SpiritRadar app from California. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.